All right, everybody. So we're working on a 2022 Suburban here, and it's going to be the tail lights, non-LED tail lights, which I'll flip them over and show you. These are the tail lights. If you're trying to put a Hideaway in these tail lights here on your Chevy, it's very easy. You see right here, this is where we're going to drill in the Hideaway. Okay. On this side, it's the same thing. All right. Now the wiring, we're going to run down here, go under the truck, and it's fairly easy to go all the way under this side and come up over here. I've already got my Hideaway module zip tied underneath the bumper there. You can put it up here behind if you'd like. It doesn't really make a difference. Here's our waterproof connectors for both of our lights. And here's the electric hatch. We just borrowed a little room there by coming out at the very bottom, and we poked a very small hole and ran the wiring in there. Now that wiring is tight. The rubber is tight. Don't make that hole big. Make it very small and let it stretch over the wire. And then on the other side of this, inside the truck, behind that panel, very easy to get to the wiring and then run the wiring forward to your switch. So this is where we're entering the vehicle for the Hideaway. That's where we're stashing the Hideaway module, running one bulb here underneath to the other bulb over there. You could do two sets of Hideaways if you wanted in here. These lights are more than large enough to put another one here. You can get a double color going alternation if you wanted. If you really wanted to, you can even go up in the top here, although that is red. But you could very easily put a Hideaway red here and white and blue. You could be all patriotic if you like. So that's the Hideaway lights on a 2022 Suburban, just like this. If this is the kind of Suburban you have and you're doing Hideaway lights, or you have a Tahoe that has the same bulbs, this is what we did. Low dome works best, but high dome can also fit in there. I just stick with the LD, the lower dome standard Hideaway. You'll be fine.